about 300 phone calls, I might get 10 people that are really enthusiastic. Should I start with them with the ESP process? Because once I hand it off, they're not getting back to us, or they, our guy gets his voicemail or ghosts the email. So what are your thoughts on that?
I want to make sure I understand the question. Is the question, should you just try and close them all the way? Or is the question, should I build more in the deal before I hand it off to the other person?
The question is, should I launch right into the sales process? I mean, because these guys, if they show interest, they really show interest, which I don't understand why after the handoff we're having an issue.
Yeah, and here's the thing, and I would love to give you a direct answer on this, but there's a whole other layer to this, and that's internally at your organization. So what I would do is I would reach out to other people in the organization and say, hey, I got an idea I want to get your opinion on, right? On these deals, we got all that momentum created, we've got everything going, and then I'm handing it off, make sure you're not placing blame, and then it tends to die out, right? They tend to forget. People have the attention span and the memory, it seems like, of a, housefly. Does it make sense for me to see if I can run these things a little bit further down the road and do a split test there? So maybe bring that up with them, because I just don't want you doing something that's going to get you in trouble because the structure of the company isn't that way.
Oh no, they've told me I can run with it. So
then I would run with it. I would run with it, because here's the cool thing. With Easton University, right, you're using your close. Does it make sense to blank? Right? No. Got it. What's a good next step? Right? I'm not sure. What's a good next step on my end? Well, I just don't know. How about we do this? Are you opposed to me having Steve from our team reach out? Because I just want to make sure, I want to run your case by, well, you're still in the game. Right? So I believe in that with every deal. Always try and go for either closing the deal itself or setting a really concrete next step. So yeah, if they're okay with you running with it, I'd run with it. I just don't want you to get in trouble if they're saying, no, your job is just to set appointments. You work in sales and I'm going to give you $300. I'm not kidding. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective coaching in the world for sales professionals like you. And right here, right now, for a few of you, I'm going to pay the $300 for you to get the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more. You're going to have more fun. You're going to get a lot more done in your career. Click the link right here, right now. I will give you my closing mini masterclass for free. I'm covering the $300 cost. Click now. I'll see you on the other side.